You've likely heard of databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, or even MongoDB. But what is a database? And what are the different types of databases out there? All right, so think of a database like that big registry book at school. You know that book where you can find everything about students in your class? Their names, their ages, their class, their phone numbers, and all that information. Inside that book, things are organized in a very neat way. You have rows, you have columns, and each student takes one row. Each type of information, like name, age, class, that's a column. So in this situation, the book itself is the database. The information inside, like the names, ages, etc., that's the data. And we are the ones inserting that data when we write in the book. That's exactly how a database works. It's just a place where information is stored in an organized way so we can find it later. There are many types of databases. Examples: MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. Think of this like the traditional school registry book. Everything must be neat, structured, organized in rows and columns. Every student has a row. Every column has a specific meaning. You can't just put random things anywhere. It has to follow the rules. That's SQL. 2. Document databases, no SQL. Example, MongoDB. Now imagine instead of using one big book, each student at school has their own folder. Inside the folder you can put a paper with their name, a paper with their grades, emergency contact homework, a drawing, a letter from their parents. Some folders might have 3 papers. Some might have 10. It's flexible. That's what MongoDB is. A database where each document can have different kinds of information. 3. Key value databases, no SQL. Example, Redis. Now think of a drawer full of index cards. Each card has a key, something like student 001, a value, which is the student's whole information. If you know the key, you instantly get the value. Very simple, very fast. That's Redis. 4. Column-based databases, no SQL. Example, Cassandra. And now imagine the school decides to organize things by columns instead of rows. So instead of writing everything about one student on one row, they create one sheet for all names, one sheet for all ages, one sheet for all classes, one sheet for all phone numbers. This makes it super fast when you want to check a huge amount of information at once. That's what column databases do. So yeah, that's basically what a database is in simple terms. Because a database is really just a place where information is stored, organized, and easy to find. If you want me to explain in detail the differences between all these types of databases with real examples, let me know. And the next video will be about that. And hey, if this was useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also, visit my site, Merge Society, link in the bio, for more coding tips and beginner-friendly explanations.